welcome. We have a pre-roll for you. This is Emerald Family Farms from Humboldt County, California. It is a 1 gram joint. The total THC is 18.4, total CBDs, the rest of the information. Here we are. Harvested on 10/12, packaged this year 5/1. Love seeing where the product is coming from. Your standard warning. This is a hybrid. Actually, it's 1.02 platinum cookie. And let's open it up to see what we've got. Nice pre-roll. This one was $9.15 plus tax. I believe it came out to probably around $10. It does have a little bit of issue in the packing down at the bottom there, but it is sealed. And we'll just try it out, see how it tastes. Leave your comments down below if you have already tried this one. Thanks for watching.